Welcome students. Let us see a very important question from the chapter permutation and combination. In fact, this question has been taken from NCERT book and this is the question from this topic, combinations. Okay. So you know the difference between permutation and combination. In case of permutation, we consider different kinds of arrangements in orders. Okay. When objects are arranged in orders, that has to be considered in permutation, and in combination order has not to be considered, only simply this is a selection of objects. So it will be very clear with the help of this question also. Question is very interesting, very important. So question is here that what is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? In how many ways of this? There are 4 different parts of this question. Okay. So as we know, there are 52 cards in a pack of playing cards. So in the first part of this question, we have to find what is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards. So obviously this is not a kind of permutation. This is only selection, isn't it? So this will be a question from the topic combinations. So now let us see the solution here. Number of ways of choosing 4 cards from 52 cards. You know, try to recall the formula here. We know the formula NCR is n factorial by r factorial n minus r whole factorial. So we have to use this formula here. In this case, n is 52 and r is 4. So we can use this way 52C 4, and using this formula we can evaluate it like this. This is 52 factorial by 4 factorial into 52 minus 4, that is 48 factorial, and this 48 factorial will be cancelled out with 52 factorial and we will get here 49 into 50 into 51 into 52. Now we have to solve it. 49 into 50 into 51 into 52, and denominator is 4 factorial, that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, means denominator is 24 and numerator is this multiplication. So after solving it, we will get the answer 27075. So after simplification we will get this much answer. So number of ways of choosing 4 cards from 52 cards can be evaluated with the help of 52C4, and after simplifying it we are getting this number 2,70,725. Correct? Now let us see this part of this question here first. 4 cards are of the same suit. Let us understand what is the meaning of suit here. So in a pack of 52 playing cards, there are 4 suits. There are 4 suits. Okay. One is diamond, another is club, another is spade, and 4th is heart. Clear? And you know that in a pack of 52 there are 13 cards in each suit. Here diamond is having 13 cards, club is having 13 cards, spade 13 and heart 13. Clear? And their question is 4 cards are of the same suit. So 4 card may be selected from diamond, 4 card may be selected from club, 4 card may be selected from spade, or 4 card may be selected from heart. So what is the total number of selection of 4 cards of the same suit? If 4 cards are selected from diamond, this will be 13C4. If these 4 cards are selected from club, this will be added together, 13C4. Plus, if 4 cards are being selected from 13 spade cards, then again this will be 13C4. Similarly, if 4 cards are selected from 13 heart cards, then this will also be 13C4. So clearly we are adding 13C4 how many times? 4 times. So this will be 4 into 13C4. Now we can simplify it very easily. So this is 4 into 13 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 13 minus 4 whole factorial using this formula, correct? And this is 4 into 13 factorial divided by, 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, and this 13 minus 4, that is 9 factorial. This 9 factorial will be cancelled out with this 13 factorial, and this will be 10 into 11 into 12 into 13. This 4 will be cancelled out, this 4 factorial, and this will be 2 into 3, that is after cancellation. 4 is being cancelled out here. And this 6 will be cancelled out with 12, 6 to the 12. Okay. Now we have to multiply 10 into 11 into 2 into 13. And after multiplying these numbers, we are getting here 2860. This is the answer of this part, first part, when 4 cards are of the same suit. Now second part, 4 cards belong to 4 different suits. So we have already discussed that each suit, there are 4 suits, and each suit is having how many cards? 13 cards. So there is basic difference between these two questions. You need to understand that in this first question 4 cards are of the same suit, and in the second question 4 cards belong to 4 different suits. Means from each suit there is 1 card only. So 4 cards from 4 suits. So one suit is having 1 selected card. Okay. So here question is 4 cards belong to 4 different suits. So if this card is being selected from diamond, this will be in how many ways we can select? 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1 into 13C1. Try to understand it. First of all, how we are getting 13C1? Because each suit is having 13 cards and 4 cards belong to 4 different suits, means each suit there will be 1 card. Okay. So 13C1. So there are 4 suits and from each suit 1 card is selected. So 13C1, 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 13C1. Now basic confusion is here that sometimes we put this addition sign and sometimes we put this multiplication sign. Why? Very simple answer. When our job has not been completed, we will have multiplication sign. When our job has been completed at any particular moment, there will be addition sign. In the statement of the question, this is already mentioned that we have to choose how many cards? 4 cards. So you see here in each step 4 cards are being selected, have been selected. So in each step selection of 4 cards is complete, means job is complete. That's why addition sign is there. But here you see 13C1 is here, means only 1 card has been selected. Still we have to select 3 cards. Here also 1 card we have selected. Still we have to select 2 cards. Here 1 card we have selected. Still we have to select 1 card. So if the job has not been completed, there will be multiplication sign, and if the job has been completed, we had to select 4 cards. 4 cards we have already selected here, so there will be addition sign. Very simple. So job is incomplete, there will be multiplication. If job is complete, there will be addition. Okay, so multiplication is here, and this is 13C1 whole to the power 4. 4 times we are multiplying, and 13C1 will be how much? This will be 13 factorial by 1 factorial, that is no meaning, and 13 minus 1, that is 12 factorial will be here. So, and this whole power 4. So this is 13 factorial by 12 factorial whole to the power 4. This 12 factorial will be cancelled out, we will get 13 here. So this is 13 to the power 4, and let us simplify it. Okay, we will get here 28,561. This will be answer. Very simple. Now let us see next part. 4 cards are face cards. So we should know what are face cards. When you will see a pack of 52 playing cards, you can observe that there are 4 kings, 4 queens, 4 queens and 4 jacks. 4 jacks. So total 12. King has a face, queen has a face, and jack has a face. So these cards are known as face cards. So in total, how many face cards we have? 12 face cards. And out of these 12 face cards, 4 cards have to be selected. Okay, so total face cards is 12, and we have to select 4 face cards. So N is 12 and R is, we are talking about this formula, N is 12 and R is 4. 4 cards has to be selected. Correct? So in how many ways? 12 C 4. Correct? So therefore 4 face cards can be selected from 12 face cards in how many ways? 12 C4 ways. And let us simplify. This is 12 factorial by 4 factorial into 8 factorial. 12 minus 4 is 8 factorial. Simplify it. This will be cancelled out here. 9 into 10 into 11 into 12 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. This 4 3s are 12 will be cancelled out, and 2 will be cancelled out with 10. 2 5s are 10. So we have to multiply here 9 into 5 into 11. This will be how much? This will be 495. This will be the answer. Simple. Okay, next. 4th. 2 are red cards and 2 are black cards. How many red cards are total? In total 26, because diamond and heart are red cards. So 13 plus 13 is 26. So 26 red cards and 26 black cards because club and spade are black, and 26 black cards. Okay, so 2 are red cards and 2 are black cards. So we have to select 2 red cards from 26 red cards and 2 black cards from 26 black cards. Okay, so in how many ways? So 2 red cards from 26 in how many ways? 26 C2 ways. Similarly, and 2 black cards from 26 in how many ways? 26 C2 ways. Correct? Now we have to simplify it. So here job has not been completed. Clear? We have to select in total 4 cards, but in this step we have selected 2 cards. Again we have to select 2 more cards still. So 2, 6, 2. So there will be addition or multiplication. Yes, multiplication, because job is incomplete. Okay. So number of selection, number of total selection will be how much? 26 C2 into 26 C2 means 26 C2 whole square. And how we can simplify it? This will be 26 factorial by 2 factorial into 24 factorial using this formula. N factorial by R factorial, N minus R factorial. Here N minus R means 26 minus 2, so 24. And this whole square. We can simplify it very easily. After cancellation it, we will get here 25 into 26. So we are getting 25 into 26 by 2. 1 into 2 is 2. This whole square. This is 13. Correct? So 25 into 13 whole square. After simplification, we will get here, this is 105,625. 1,05,625. This is the answer. Correct? And the last part of this question, 5th one. 4 cards are of the same color. So there are 2 colors, 26 red colors and 26 black colors. So if 4 cards are selected from red, 26 C4, and 4 cards selected from black, again 26 C4. But in each step the job is being completed. 4 cards are being selected total. In total we have to select 4 cards. So 4 cards from 26 red cards in how many ways? 26 C4 ways. Similarly, and 4 cards from 26 black cards in how many ways? 26 C4 ways. As we discussed earlier, here in each step the job of selecting 4 cards is being completed. In this step also we have selected 4 cards. In this step also we have selected 4 cards. So total number of ways, there will be addition as we have discussed. So therefore number of ways of selection of 4 cards of the same color will be 26 C4 plus 26 C4 means 2 into 26 C4, and 26 C4 is 26 factorial by 4 factorial into 22 factorial. Using this formula, we can simplify it very easily, and this will be equal to 29900. This will be the answer. Okay, 29,900. So questions are little bit confusing but very interesting and very important. So students, we have to take care and try to understand all these steps we have made here, and you have to be very clear about the way which we are using for solving these questions. Okay, so I suggest you to do some more practice of this pattern of the question. You will have a good command over this topic. Question is very interesting, very simple. It is not difficult. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope that you might have subscribed my channel and you might be enjoying learning mathematics. If not subscribed, please do it immediately. Thank you very much.